Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund your account in Olymp Trade using Neteller. As you saw in previous tutorials, we funded and withdrew from our accounts using various methods. To fund the account with Neteller, we click on Payments. From the Deposit section, we can select Neteller. We enter the desired amount for the deposit here, and if we have a promo code, we enter it in this section. Otherwise, we click on Next. On the next page, the transaction details will be shown to us, and we click on Confirm. As you can see, we are redirected to this page, and we need to enter the email address associated with our Neteller account here. After entering your email, we click on Proceed to Payment. We are directly taken to the Neteller website where we need to enter our account password. After entering the password, you'll be logged into your Neteller account. On this page, the destination address and amount are shown to us, and by clicking on the Pay button, we can complete the payment. You request the verification code for your mobile phone. After entering the code, you click on Pay. Well, as you can see, the payment process was completed successfully, and you are returned to Olymp Trade. To view the details of this transaction, you can also check the complete payment details from the Payments section under Transactions. In the next videos, stay tuned for the tutorial on withdrawing from Neteller.